Hello everyone, today we're working on a new sweater. I'm working on a new sweater on my son. We're here free sketching today. I am not copying from, I just looked at the image and then kind of went and free sketch it on my own way, but I will definitely do another video of how you could copy from another image and actually put it on another garment. That will be a lot easier without having to free sketch if you're not a big artist. But today we're really just free sketching the Lakers logo and everything else, and I'm definitely gonna let you guys know where I messed up at, because I did mess up at, but it is what it is. The freedom of just drawing and just kind of letting your mind go, it's helpful. So we're gonna keep on watching the video and I'll come in and out with the voiceovers. So in the back of the hoodie, I decided to add the years of the Lakers when the Lakers won their championships. But I made a mistake because I totally my head was somewhere else. I was not thinking straight. So I thought the two columns that I created was going to be even, and I realized they weren't even towards the end, and I forgot that I had to add 2010 and 2020, and I was I had a moment. But the most important part is that my son liked it and he actually enjoyed the hoodie. So at the end of the day, it's about who you're making the design for. If they love it, that's all it cares. Listen, I sometimes make mistakes, even when I even put the effort on trying not to make mistakes. I am human, and that's okay. So it's okay if you made a boo-boo, okay? All right? So here is the hoodie. My son loved it. That's the most important part. So here's just an idea if you want to make your own Lakers inspired hoodie. So I see you guys in my next video. Bye.